Hi boo, looking for extra moisture and nourishment for your hair? Aloe Vera is your go-to girl. What? I'm kind of addicted now. At first I bought one leaf from the mat. After using it, I went for the whole plant. I'm keeping this in my balcony. Use aloe vera gel and say bye-bye to dry hair. It keeps your hair moisturized. It adds sheen to the hair, makes it look silky, smooth. It's too much. Alright, so now we are going to say bye to all those chemical-based leave-in conditioners. I'm going to keep quiet and allow you to watch how to make your own leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner, you don't wash, you leave it in your hair. Okay, I'm not going to talk anymore. And we are done. I'm going to leave a link to how I use this on my hair in the description box, so do check it out. See ya.